In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or out of a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're looking to get a closer look at your text or want to see more of your page on the screen, adjusting the zoom in Microsoft Word is a simple and effective way to enhance your document editing experience. So let's jump right in and explore these easy steps to manage your document view. First, to get started, you need to open Microsoft Word. This is the very first step in accessing any document you want to edit or read. Make sure the document you are working on is already saved on your device or created in the cloud, as you'll want your work to be accessible right when you open Word. Once you've got Microsoft Word open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your Word window. Here is where all the magic happens for your zoom control. It's usually easy to spot, situated neatly next to the scroll bar. Taking this time to familiarize yourself with the layout of the bottom of the Word interface can be quite helpful for making quick visual adjustments. In this corner, you will notice a slider. This slider is your primary tool for adjusting the zoom level of your document. Simply click and hold on to that slider, then drag it to the right if you want to zoom in. This will make everything on your document appear larger, allowing for a closer inspection of your work. Alternatively, if you find your view is too close and you need a broader perspective, drag the slider to the left. This action zooms out, diminishing the size of the document's content and allowing you to see more on the screen at once. Now, if you're after more incremental control rather than dragging the slider, there's another feature right next to it that's worth exploring. Look for the plus and taller buttons. These buttons allow for more measured adjustments. Clicking the plus button will slowly increase the zoom level, letting you go up step by step for a detailed view without sudden jumps. Meanwhile, hitting the Wolfschward button will gradually minimize your zoom, giving you a broader view approach step by step until you reach your desired perspective. Using these controls, you can easily customize your view of any Word document to suit your specific needs. By managing the zoom, you enhance readability and can tailor your editing environment for comfort and clarity. Thank you for joining me today on this simple yet crucial tour of the Word zoom function. Adjusting your document's view has never been more straightforward. Don't forget to practice these steps each time you work in Word, and soon it will become second nature. Enjoy your more accessible document viewing.